To cancel your Equifax subscription, follow these steps. Log into your account. Visit the Equifax website and log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile Settings section. This is typically found in the upper right-hand corner under your name or profile icon. Find Subscription Information. Within the Account Settings, locate the section related to your subscription or membership details. Select Cancel Subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Membership or End Subscription. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to cancel. You may be asked to provide a reason for canceling and to confirm that you understand the terms of cancellation. Receive confirmation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive an email confirmation from Equifax indicating that your subscription has been cancelled. Contact customer service. If you encounter any issues or cannot find the cancellation option, contact the Equifax customer service directly. You can find their contact information on the Equifax website. Monitor your bank statements. Check your bank statements in the following months to ensure that no further charges are made to your account.